Assalamualaikum, and I hope everyone is having a nice day today. So, this is a video presentation for ECIE 3101 and ECIE 3312. And before we begin this video, I'm gonna display here the timeline if you wanna skip ahead or jump around. So, let's start. Before we begin diving into the project, let me do a quick ta'aruf for my group members. So, our group consists of 4 members, which are Shamil, Iman, Alif, and lastly, me. We had divided all the work and put tremendous effort in it, so please stay with me in this video. So the project assigned to our group is a text editor, and this is the requirements that we need to meet for this project. And of course, the code is fully in Python. First, let me just show you our finished product first. Let's go. So right now we are gonna dive into the code. Not the code, but let's try to execute it first. Let's see if this works. So this is the code, and since we are using it for the first time, we cannot use the second option, edit the file, but we can use it later after we have created the file. So you can create a file. Let's enter the file name you want to create. Let's use hello world 1.0. So it will prompt the user new file created, and this is the option that we can choose. So first we try the number 1, insert new line. This is the first line, and then this is the question about the requirement that's been asked in the assignment, the project, which the current line, this is the first line. That means it prompt the user that the current line is on the first line, and the cursor at the blank here is because it detects the last, and if we use the cursor to go to the left, it will show E. Let me prove it. Go to the left. So the current line still there. This is the first line, and the cursor is now at E. Look, this is blank, and then it go to the left, E, and then let's try move it to the left again, and now it's at N, which is this here, N. And now let's try use the move cursor to the right, 5. It goes back to the E. So that means the move cursor up and right and left is working. And then if you want to use the cursor up and down, let's just try insert a new line. Let's put hey buddy. So now the current line is at hey buddy, and the cursor is at Y. Y, this is the last character in the current line. So look at the hey buddy, and then we want to use the move cursor up, so it should supposedly going to the this is the first line. So let's try 3. Yep, it goes back to the this is the first line, and the cursor is at E, the last character. And if we try the move cursor down, which is option number 4, it goes back to hey buddy. So that means this is option 2. We are not try testing the option 2 yet. Option 2, insert the character. Right now look at the hey buddy, and it should, like, if we try enter Y, no, enter S, it should create hey buddies. Yeah, now it hey buddies, and cursor is at the back. it detects the back here, and if we move cursor left 6, it goes to S. So now let's try use the replace current character number 8. Since now the cursor is at S, and if we replace it, we're going to use it with T. It should be buddy T, not S anymore. Now look, it becomes buddy T, and cursor is at T. That means the replace work. And let's try insert a new line again. Third one. So I want to show the display all function. And now this is the display all. This is the first line, hey buddy, and third one. That means display all works okay. And then we've got the clear file, save file, and exit. The clear file, that means it's gonna clear everything, and we are gonna go back to the first interface. So let's try save it first. Save file, and then we are gonna exit. After exit, it will go to the very first interface, whether we want to create a new file or edit a file. But since we have created a file, and then we can edit it back. We have to enter the name, hello world. Please choose the option number 2, edit a file. So now please enter the file name you want to edit. We're gonna use hello world 1.0. Now it goes back to the current line, third one. That means we had saved the file here in this notepad. And if we try to clear the file 12, and then since we clear, it should be nothing in the file anymore. So let's try display all. The file is empty. So the clear file, the save file works, and exit also work. So that's it for the text editor. I'm gonna exit. So that's it for the editor. Let's go to the source code. We are gonna skim through. So now we are in the text edit, the Visual Studio Code, and this is the main file, text editor. The layering is like this. Text editor have some function from main.py, and main.py calls the user the cursor and the doubly linked list from node and node2.py. And if you can see, like, this is our interface. This is also the interface, the elseif. And then this is the text editor function, and this is the call function. And if you can see the main.py, it have all the function needed, the function and the class. You can see like edit file, get current character, get current line, get set file name, get line size, create new file, insert line, insert card, and everything else. All the details explanation you can get from the report paper, which is attached in the assignment together with this video. And this is the note 2. I'll just skim through so that it won't get too long. And then this is the note 1. So I think that's it for the source code. So that's it for our team, and I hope we are gonna get a great amount of marks since we put a lot of effort through it. And that's all. Assalamualaikum.